Hi guys, welcome to another Seb Sesh. I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Gin and Tonic, and I'm here today to present an alternative serve on our lovely craft grapefruit gin. So in this particular serve, we're gonna go for just regular tonic, so we let the gin express itself, and we're gonna garnish that with fresh grapefruit. So I'm gonna start off by pre-chilling the glass. It's nice and chilled. Now we discard the ice and we're ready for the spirit. So we're gonna go for double ounce of craft grapefruit gin. Next we're gonna ice that up all the way to the top. Now it's time for the mixer. So we're gonna go for classic Indian tonic, just so we can let the gin express itself. I think the best way you can try a gin is just with a classic tonic, and that way all the aroma of the gin will sit on the tonic. It will not overpower it, it will just shine it through. So just to finish that off, we're gonna go for fresh grapefruit, one of the botanicals we already have inside the gin, the sweet grapefruit peel. So there we have it, citrusy and fresh, craft alternative serve with Indian tonic and fresh grapefruit. Cheers, enjoy.